Okay, today's menu, we're cooking some pork butts, some ribs, and some chicken. Well, let's see, these are chicken thighs. Yep, so I got the grill loaded today. Yep. And for those who are interested, I'm cooking on a Lang. This is a Lang barbecue grill. Didn't need to use this little charcoal grill up front. So able to put all the meat on in just this back part. It's gonna be good. And let's just look at the firebox here. See if I need to put any more wood in. The wood's doing pretty good. Just that little bit of wood, I can keep the temperature up to around 250, 300. And 250 is my ideal temperature because I want to cook this meat low and slow.